Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, August 14th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we really got screwed today. I have told you yesterday this insane action we had where the Dow rose, 400 points in probably 10 minutes or so, making it impossible to trade on the way up and forcing us into, I think, 17 positions, all right up here, right at the very top. And then, no follow through after that. It was just a setup. It was almost certain to go down. I was sure of that, but I didn't know just how bad the down was going to be. Dow fell 800 points today. That's the biggest drop of this year. And of course, what angers me most is the reasons given for this drop are just absolutely obscene. Um, well, I'll get the most obscene part out. Yeah, we dropped $33,000 on this. That's we were I don't know what like we're down like $8,000 or something on the close yesterday, and of course that just um, blew up totally with an open like this. Terrible for us, and we only got into two new positions. One positive, one negative. We're positive $11. That's not going to offset those $33,000 in losses. And again, the Dow officially is down 800 points. So, what causes the Dow? I absolutely hate market analysts. They just, they, in my opinion, are absolutely stupid. This is what they're saying. The reason that this huge sell off occurred is that the 10-year Treasury bond yield fell below the 2-year Treasury bond yield for the first time since 2007. And this pattern, inverted, let's call it inverted bond yield, has preceded a recession every time for all recessions in modern history have been preceded by this kind of inverted bond yield. So that sounds like when you see this inverted bond yield that we saw today, that's a sure thing. It's a coming recession. Then you look into this a little more carefully, and you find that yeah, but sometimes the recession takes 2 to 3 years from the time you first see this inverted bond yield for the recession actually to take place. And this is so stupid because if you say something like a total eclipse in Africa has preceded every recession in modern history, you're probably correct because in a capitalist economy, we have periodic recessions. So it doesn't mean a damn thing. It's just bullshit. And what's going to happen here is that it's going to take about a day or two, and traders are going to figure out this is bullshit, and they'll drive these stocks up again. And God knows they could drive them up like they did here, and we could get caught again in this mess. This is this is extremely volatile, insane marketplace right now, and I suspect it is, for the most part, being manipulated so that insiders can come in and buy stocks at a lower price down here that probably, in fact, may signal more than anything that stock prices are going to go higher because they did this. But they did it, and we were screwed. And there's not much else I can say about it. I get angry when this happens, but it's pointless to get angry. You just gotta roll with the punches. But this was really terrible what happened today. I don't have anything to show you. I don't want to talk about these stocks anymore. But I'll be back here tomorrow trading as usual.